Okay. Say something important this time. Got the hiccups, can't talk right now, huh?
It wears you out, doesn't it? Can you smile this time without pooping? Hmm? Say hello to Auntie Ty.
Just kind of mellow right now.
Pretty exciting. Hmm? Goodness, doesn't sound good, huh? It's been a rough day.
Which one of the first three is your favorite?
We like you're awake.
You get a smile.
Smile. You showing her how strong you are? No, we're serious. No smile. Flip a smile. So tired, huh?
Well, she said she wanted to see him even when he's sleeping. We only have 2 hours on this thing, though. We can't do it all day.
Keeping that eye on me, huh?